So a couple of things before I introduce the next exercise. David, Linda, and I all work quite a lot in a model that is called life review, guided autobiography or life review, which allows people to look at their lives through different lenses, branching points, family, career. And we often talk about the value of looking at the good, the bad, and the ugly in our lives so that we can make better choices about what we want to carry forward and where we want to go. Well, we're not going to do the ugly today, but we're going to do the good and the bad, so-called. And we're going to invite you in this next part to start looking at initially successful, rewarding teams you've belonged to, and then we'll look at the reverse of that. Also a double check. Someone was kind enough to say, what about these cards at our tables, because we started using them. That's okay. We want to make sure that by the last exercise, or second to last exercise that you get to this morning, you each have 3 cards left. But those little cards are there for you to use to jot some notes down on as you reflect. So first of all, thinking back to a very successful, rewarding experience that you've had being part of a team. And part of a team just means more than 2 people. So you can go back to kindergarten, you can go back to a sports team you belong to, it could be guides or scouts, it could be a hobby that you did, it could be work in healthcare, it could be outside of healthcare, just not your current team. So a prior experience of being part of something that you really felt this is a fabulous team to belong to. And just take a few minutes and again, jot some things down if you'd like to about what 3 words best capture that experience for you. So just jot down what 3 words or qualities really describe what that wonderfully rewarding experience felt like for me. When you've got your 3 words, and don't worry if it happens to be 2 or 4, we're not going to come and check and grade you. So once you've got your important words, then the sort of question comes up, how did you personally contribute? How did you contribute to that being a successful, rewarding team experience? What was it that you did that contributed to that success?